All right, friends, we are going to start day 3 of our honeybee's story. All right, find something in this picture that rhymes with bed, like a bed that you sleep in. Look in this picture, and what do you see? I see the color red. What else do you see? Anything? Bread. Maybe this one is being fed. Anything else? I don't know. Alright, so change the short E in bed to a long E to make it say its name where it says E. What would be the word now? Bead. Can you find 4 things that have our long E that says E? B. Maybe how many tadpoles are there? 3. What about reed? That's what those are called. Those are reeds. That may be a new word we don't know yet. Anything else with our long E? Tree. I think that's it. Alright, these are tadpoles. The word tadpoles has 2 syllables, so we can clap it. Tadpoles. So we clap 2 times. The first syllable is tad. The second syllable is poles. So when we combine the 2 syllables, we get one word, tadpoles. The vowel sound in tad is ah. It's our short A. The second syllable is poles, and it has our long O that says O. Poles. So when I clap the syllables, tadpoles, I can break it into 2 pieces. Listen to the word picnic. Picnic. What about insect? Insect. So let's look at some more words with syllables. Read that first word and give me a thumbs up. What's that word? Bag. Let's tap it. B-A-G. Bag. Give me a thumbs up when you've got that second word. Ready? P-E-T. Pet. How many syllables do these words have? 1. Bag, pet. Just 1. Today we're going to learn about words that have 2 syllables, just like our word tadpoles. Alright? This word is basket. What is this word? Basket. This word has 2 consonants in the middle. Do you see our letter S and our letter K? They're squished in the middle of the word. And they have a vowel on each side. When we divide words like this, we divide them in between those 2 consonants. So it's called vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel. And we can cut that word into 2 pieces, just like a ninja. Chop it in half. Okay? I see the S and the K together, and there's an A before and an E after. Remember, it's got to follow our pattern, vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel. So I can cut them in half, just like over here. I have b-as, bas, k-et, ket, basket, basket. Let's look at this next word. Alright, when we read a word like this one, we first want to divide the word into smaller parts to make it easier to read. Because we can read CVC words pretty easy. Okay? So if there are 2 consonants in the middle, these have twin consonants, so it makes it a little easier. I know that I can cut that word in half in between those 2 consonants. So I can sound it out now. R-a-b. Rab, b, it, bit. Rabbit, rabbit. So what's my word? Rabbit. Good. See how I can break it into 2 pieces? Now I have rab and bit, rabbit. Now these are not compound words, because rab is not a word by itself. These are syllables, so they're 2 pieces of 1 word. Alright, so let's look at this one. I can chop it up in between the 2 B's. It's a lot easier when there are twin letters, okay? But sometimes they're not going to be twin letters, so we need to remember it's got to have vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel. So let's chop it and let's read the first part. R-A-B, rab, b-it, bit, rabbit. What's that word? Rabbit. All right, I've got a vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel. I'm going to chop it in half like a ninja. Let's sound it out. Ready? B-as, bass, k-et, ket, basket. What's my word? Basket. All right, got a vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel. So I'm going to chop them in half. Remember, like our ninja strike, right in between those two consonants. So let's sound out the first part. Is, miss, ache, take. I know that word is take because that sneaky makes that A say his name. Ready? Miss, take, mistake. What's that word? Mistake. All right, let's look at this next one. Vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel. Ready? We're going to chop it in half in between those two consonants, or the two vowels. Not vowels, consonants. Ready? T-a-d, tad. P-o-l, pole. We remember that sneaky E, his job is to make that O say his name. So we have tadpole, tadpole. Last one. Got a vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel. Ready? In between those two consonants, we're going to chop them in half. In, s-i-d, side. We know the sneaky E is there, so we know that I is going to say I. Inside. What's this word? Inside. Listen as I read this sentence. We set his pet rabbit in its basket. Will it be a mistake to keep that tadpole inside? So remember, these are not compound words. These are two-syllable words. Let's look at some more. Ready? Help me read. In, t-u, into. That was one of our sight words that we've talked about before. Remember, we're going to look. We have a vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel. So in between those two consonants, I'm going to chop them in half. Ready? In, s-i-d, side, inside. What's that word? Inside. Next one, we've got a vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel. So I'm going to cut him in half in between the R and the K, right there. I'm going to chop him in half. Ready? R. That A-R sounds like a pirate. R. R. So mar, k-er, ker. Marker. What's that word? Marker. Ready? I have a vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel. Where am I going to chop him? In between those twin T's. I'm going to chop him in half. Ready? It, mit, mit, t-en, ten, mitten. Miss Lindsay has an art video in our additional resources folder. The folder with specials. Miss Lindsay has a mitten video for you to watch to learn how to draw some mittens. So you can sound out that word now. Ready? We've got a vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel. So I'm going to chop him in half between the F and the T. Let's sound it out. If, fifth. Is fifth a real word? No, it's just the first syllable of this word. Ready? Fifth. Our twin E's. They say E. T, E, teen. 15. What's that word? 15. Good. All right, let's look at this picture. Is it a ramp or a rabbit? Good, a rabbit. Look at this picture. What is it a picture of? A button or a brake? A button. Good. Is this a picture of dinner or dent? Good, dinner. What about this one? What is that? A base or a basket? Good, basket. All right, look at number 5. Is this a helmet or hello? Good, a helmet. All right, what are they pointing at in this picture? What is that? A napkin or a name? Good, a napkin. All right, what about this one? A mask or a muffin? Good, muffin. Last one, is this a wall or a walnut? Good, this is a walnut. A nut, this is a walnut, is a kind of nut. All right, it says draw a picture for each word. So if I was going to draw a mitten, it might look like this. Remember, you can go find Miss Lindsay's art video in the specials folder. You don't have to, but if you want to draw it, you can. Whoop, I disappeared. Hold on. There I am. All right, and then if you had picnic, that's something you could draw too. All right, let's look at our heart words. Remember, the green part we can sound out. The heart part is different and tricky, so we have to remember it by heart. Ready? Ah. O, s, o. Also. What's that word? Good. Also. Let's look at this one. Like our letter U. Other. What's this word? Other. Good. The EW says ooh. 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 New. What's that word? New. Good. All right, this one has lots of green, but at the end we have a heart, so he can be tricky. Ready? I, fam, e, family. What's that really long word this week? Family. Good. All right. That E is silent, but he has to be there. What's this word? Some. Last one. This one's voice, so he comes from your throat. There. What's that word? There. All right, we're going to listen to our story. And as we listen for the word romp. What's the word? Romp.